Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to grade 6. I hope you all are fine. It's your math class. I'm your math teacher Miss Saima. This is the title page of your book 6 New Countdown second edition. The contents of your book are on page number 4. Today's lecture we will discuss some topics related to your chapter number 1 Introduction to Sets. Page number 1, chapter number 1, Introduction to Sets. In this unit, student will learn about the concept of sets, about set notation and its forms, descriptive, tabular, and set builder notation. How to represent a set by a Venn diagram, about different types of sets. First topic is sets. What is set? A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Set is basically a collection of objects. Well-defined means every object in a set has a specific property by which we easily identify it. And distinct means every object in a set is different from another object in a set. For example, a bunch of keys, a pack of cards, a flock of birds, etc. What are elements? The objects in a set are called members or elements of the set. For example, the set of vowels A, E, I, O, U form a set. The vowels A, E, I, O, U are called the elements or members of the set. Capital letters A, B, C are used to denote sets, and all the elements of a set are enclosed within curly brackets. This is curly bracket and separated by commas. For example, a set of flowers. A set of flowers enclosed within curly brackets separated by commas, rose, lily, lotus are called the elements of set capital F. A set of names of 3 boys. The name of boys separated by commas enclosed within curly brackets and Hassan, Ahmed, Ali are called the elements of set capital B. Set of first 5 letters of English alphabet denoted by capital L. A, B, C, D, E separated by commas enclosed within curly brackets, and these first 5 letters are called elements or members of set capital L. The elements of a set are said to belong to the set. जो set के elements हैं A, B, C, D हम कहते हैं कि ये set से belong करते हैं, से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं. This symbol is used to denote belongs to or is an element of or is a member of. Rose belongs to F because rose is a part of this set capital F. So we use this symbol. This symbol represents that rose is an element of set F. Hassan belongs to B. It means Hassan is a part of this set B. So we use this symbol that Hassan belongs to B means Hassan is an element of set B. E belongs to L means E is a part of set L. So we say that E belongs to L means E is an element of set L. This symbol is used to indicate is not an element of or does not belongs to. ये element हमें ये बताता है कि ये एलिमेंट उस सेट में है ही नहीं, उसका हिस्सा ही नहीं है. रोज बिलोंग्स टू एफ बट सनफ्लावर डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू एफ. रोज इज प्रेजेंट इन सेट एफ बट सनफ्लावर इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. सो वी यूज दिस सिंबल फॉर रोज. रोज बिलोंग्स टू एफ बट सनफ्लावर डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू एफ. हसन बिलोंग्स टू सेट बी बट हमना डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू बी. हसन इज द पार्ट ऑफ सेट बी बट हमना इज नॉट हेयर. सो वी सेड दैट हसन बिलोंग्स टू बी बट हमना डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू बी. D belongs to L but Z does not belongs to L. D is a part of set L but Z is not present in this set. So we use this symbol D belongs to L and use this symbol Z does not belongs to L. The flowers inside the circle forms a set capital F. Rose is a part of this set. Rose is set का हिस्सा है. So we use this symbol. Rose belongs to F. Sunflower is not a part of this set, so sunflower does not belongs to this set. We use this symbol. Again, Hassan is a part of this set B, so we use this symbol. Hassan belongs to B.